Yes, for if you don't have an account in the portal for a community group, what you need to do, you should receive this email, by the way. In this email, you will find this link. If you don't have an account, you can we will click on this one, on this link here. But in case you have an account, you just go to this link and click on it. And this is the link you have to save in your bookmarks or save it as link or something like that. But in our case, we are going to create a new account. So here, to create an account, this is the link. Click on it. It is an invitation. It will take you directly to open an account. You should see a pop-up like this. You have to put your full name. For example, here, let me put here test. And here I will put here my email. And you should add a password. You have to add a password that you will remember. So in the first section, I added my full name here. Here I added my email, and here I added my password. Okay. You should verify your email because you are going to receive a code to verify your account. So I will click now, sign up in this button here. Now you see this, you should receive a 6 digit email. By now, I have a 6 digit. You should receive something like this. Let me check the screen here. The title of the email is Noordev Academy, and this is the code. Confirm your email address, and this is the code we receive. So what I'm going to do, I just copy the code here, or you can type it. Then I come back. If you don't, if you don't see it here in your inbox, go to your junk email or spam email. You should see it there. Okay. Then when you get the code, just paste it here and verify secure code. That's it. And you are in right now. So when you are here in the panel, or you should see you are in discussion. You can ask your questions here. If you have a question, click here, title, description, and post. And choose the channel here. Then you can post your question. If you want to learn, you can just go to learn in here, click at the top side here, and here, click on this one here. Then it will take you to start the course. You'll see here fundamentals, what we did before, and you can click on it. Then you are inside the course and you can watch the video, right? If you want to go back, you will see this back button here at the top left, and you can click on discussion and you are here already. Okay, this is the first part. If you don't have an account, now you opened an account, but in case you have an account, let me show you. You just go to portal.noordev.media. That's the link. Okay, then add your email address. Then I will add the password. Then I will go login. Automatically you are inside right now. Learning is here, discussion is here.